Alright, here it is, all done. And I'm about to take it for its last test ride, second test ride. And I put a few hickey-doos on there for some gear that I have. You can see the detail. It's still a little bit dirty. Haven't had time to thoroughly give it a wash yet, but you can see that every piece in this bike has been powder coated. Very little paint except for the plastics. They've been hydro dipped, of course. And I put it 100% back to stock, including every switch works: neutral switch, clutch switch, side stand switch. So whoever buys this thing, plus the headlight or the taillight bracket, that's why it's on there. I put it back to stock, so whoever buys this, they can modify it. I don't want to take liability for it, I guess. So I put it back the way it came from the factory. And again, all done up pretty. Eagle mic parts throughout. And the only part I didn't powder coat that I got from Eagle mic is the fork brace. I think it blends in better down there, keep the shine down. And I had to go with the stock plastic skid plate because the aftermarket skid plate that I had won't fit with these SW Motec bars. So this will wrap up the build. And the next time you see it, it'll be on some happy new owner, because I'm gonna be selling her down the road. And if you want to hear it, second gen hand controlled.